This is a short video of a sprinkler that you don't see on eBay or anywhere else for that matter very often. It's referred to as the square and circle, as you can see by the control knob on top. The sprinkler itself is made by the H.B. Sherman Company of Battle Creek, Michigan. All of H.B. Sherman's sprinklers of this nature were painted a baby blue color here. The reason that this sprinkler is gold and cream is because H.B. Sherman also manufactured these sprinklers to be marketed by a local department store chain of the 60s here in Detroit, Michigan, called Montomery-Wards. This is referred to as a garden mark because it is one of the sprinklers that was sold under the Wards banner. It still has the price tag on it. It still has remnants of the original decal, which clearly says MW. You can see garden, but you can't see mark. Rotomatic, sprinkler model TSM 601, and the original price tag. And while the decal and the price tag are not all that legible, they do lend credence to the fact that this is a 60 sprinkler that has basically never been touched. A couple of unique things about the unit. You'll notice this chrome bullet nose on the back with a series of holes, and then out front you'll notice this little bullet nose here is actually nothing more than a nozzle with a little device that flips up and down. Hence, square and circle. When you adjust this knob to one pattern or the other while it's connected to the water, it's either going to fire water in a square as a result of this device flopping up and down, or it's going to water a circle. I've had probably 4 of these units over the past 10 or 12 years. All of the other units have been H.B. Sherman's. This is, of course, the first garden mark. And while they are all, as I said earlier, identical in construction, this is probably the nicest of the bunch. You'll notice that the runners are quite large. This is not a small sprinkler. I'm going to bring this is your typical hose end nozzle. You can see by scale it's probably about 4 inches long. The sprinkler takes up quite a large footprint. Now these runners are easily removable. There are 4 set screws on the underside of the base, and these runners are easily removed because they are aluminum, so it's easy to pack the unit. The top portion, I have done nothing to it. I haven't tried to polish the chrome in any way, shape, or form. It's completely original. And one more thing, while we're referring to the underside of it, another unique feature, in addition to the fact, look how nice and clean that original paint is. This is a screen. This removes and is a clean-out screen, I should say. So I hope that whoever purchases this fine example of the square and circle by H.B. Sherman enjoys it.